All right, so here's a quick peek at what's inside bonus video number 12 of our killer digital course, ChatGPT for Credit Repair Business Owners. You know, student loans are a common burden that plague credit reports. Inaccurate or unjustified negative entries can really wreak havoc on your client's financial well-being. How do you tackle this complex issue? In bonus video number 12, Chris unveils groundbreaking techniques for credit repair professionals just like you using ChatGPT. He's going to walk you through composing effective dispute letters to the credit bureaus and the creditors, explaining the situation and requesting removal of unjustified student loan entries. He's going to show you how to engage with lending institutions to inquire, negotiate, and request removal of negative entries, understanding unique circumstances. You'll learn how to leverage the Fair Credit Reporting Act and consumer protection laws to advocate for your clients. You'll understand what comprehensive documentation is to support your claims, from payment receipts to legal communications. Most importantly, you'll learn to follow a systematic approach to be patient and persistent, leading to successful removals. Go ahead and unlock the power of ChatGPT to transform your credit repair business and enroll in our course today. That link's down below, and again, we will see you on the inside.